Whisper loud.
Guys, welcome to my lockdown night routine.
It's not night time yet. Why are you whispering?
Currently we're baking. Delicious. Let's go.
Well, yeah.
I'm gonna pour myself a gin and lemonade. It is only a Thursday night, so I kind of feel like an alcoholic. Actually, we used to go out on Thursday night, so this is basically just like I'm good out. Oh, guys. Tessa actually attacked me earlier. I've got a cut.
you middle finger the
I've got a
vlog.
cut somewhere. Thank God I have my tetanus jab. So yes, I'm filming a night routine. Not sure if you could hear me from my whispering. But I just get kind of embarrassed, to be honest. I don't want Danny's family to hear me. What I have plans for this evening?
Bit of Apex Legends at some point.
Well, I need to upload a video.
You do need to upload
I need you to watch the video before I can upload it, because I actually get worried that people find me boring. So I get Danny to watch it and check that it is boring.
Definitely boring.
I also need you to choose an Instagram for me to upload.
But we already went through that one, did we not?
No, I've got new ones.
Oh, we've got new ones.
I also get Danny to choose my Instagrams because it stresses me out. So he does it instead.
You're cripplingly indecisive.
Yeah. I was going to cut Danny's hair, but he doesn't want to do it tonight. I cut his hair a couple weeks ago. I think I did a great job. Danny thinks he looks like this guy with his new haircut. I disagree. Do you know what I actually want to do?
What?
I really want to download Disney Plus. I just really don't want to pay $7.99 a month for it.
$7.90.
I think it's $7.99. Oh, $5.99 a month. Oh, I still don't really want to pay that. Actually, I'm not going to tell you everything we're doing because I don't want to spoil the vlog. Okay, I'm just uploading. Oh, I just dropped my lip balm. I'm just uploading my new video I posted on Instagram. I'm just, you know, being so productive tonight. Also, I discovered, well, it's my video that I need to work on my video voice, because I put on this voice, not this voice, but I put on a voice, and you can tell, okay, don't look back at my old videos please, but in like this time last year maybe it was before that, I don't know, I used to put on a voice. I didn't mean to, like, I wasn't being a fake on purpose, but I'd put on a really annoying voice and it was really, really annoying, as I've mentioned. And one of the clips in this video, I took the clip out and refilmed it because I just wasn't having it. So I need to stop doing that voice. It's really annoying and it's not how I talk, and I don't want people to watch it and think it's how I talk. So I need to work on that. That's going to be my personal goal for lockdown. I've also almost finished my gin and I kind of want another one, but this is a double, and if I have another double I'll be steaming because I'm a lightweight. Sorry, I'm talking so much, I don't know why. I'm never usually this chatty. We've come down to have our dessert. It looks really sickly, to be honest. Nice? Let me try.
Oh,
So sticky. Oh my god. That is pretty. Right now Danny's straining ricotta, right? Draining ricotta. Because we're having Italian night tomorrow. And finally this is what you meant to do.
What are we making? You have to say what we're making.
Oh, we're making cannoli. Yum. So we've just been watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. It's like 10 right now. This is probably not going to be the longest video. I hope it is. I don't know. I feel as though it's not going to be very long, but our routine is basically watching stuff and then Danny plays Xbox for like 5 hours.
No, it's about 4. If from now, it's no
okay, we
more
can
than
count.
4.
It's 10 right now. We'll see how long.
No, it's 10 past 10.
Okay.
You dingus.
Okay, usually it is 4 hours. You get on usually 10, get off about 2.
Well, I've been known to get on at 11. Easy days.
And you've been known to get on at 9.
Yeah, but then we don't stay till 2. Do we? It's
Okay.
about 4 hours. It's about 4 hours.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so that's basically all we do, but I'm still going to try and make this interesting. Also, I poured myself vodka lemonade this time. Except this is a different vodka. I've never tried this before. It's Echo Falls vodka, which Echo Falls is quite embarrassing. No offense if you drink Echo Falls, but this is Echo Falls vodka, so it doesn't count and it's not embarrassing. So don't even try it and think that I'm embarrassing right now. What?
You're so embarrassing.
Also, I think I'm going to bleach my hair, but I'll talk to you about that on the couch because I don't want to take so many clips from the same location.
Big Mac says he was the first. Oh.
The first what?
What?
The first what?
Yes.
The first what?
What?
Oh my god, the first what?
The first like.
Oh. Right now, I just did some of my fashion course that I've been talking about in like so many videos. I'm talking really quietly because Danny's on Xbox with his friends right now and I don't really feel like getting made fun of. But yeah, I did some of the fashion course. I'm actually like a week behind. I was meant to have finished it on Sunday and it's just not finished. Now I'm watching some YouTube, except my earphones have ran out of charge. So I'm gonna have to watch Danny play Xbox for a while they charge. Oh, I keep thinking he's talking to me, but no. Also, the video I uploaded, there's a glitch in it. And part of it is like silent. It's really annoying. I only just noticed it and it's been out for like 2 hours, so I'm just gonna leave it. I mean, it's only like 2 seconds, but it's really bothering me. Also, what I was saying about bleaching my hair, yes. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, I was like, maybe I'll do like the streaks at the front. I just kind of wanted to bleach my hair because I was bored. Then I was like, I can't do it. It's just, it's been too overdone, and honestly, I'm not hating on anyone who does it. I think it looks really nice, but I just can't bring myself to do it because it's just, there's just so many people with it done. So obviously I dyed my hair darker again, which I usually do, and uploaded a video on it. But then today I was like, do you know what, I just kind of want to bleach it. I want to do something different. Then I follow this person on Instagram. Oh, I don't know what her name is. I don't know her name, I only followed her like yesterday. But she used to have a streak in her hair, like here. Like it's only like from like there, and she just has a streak, and I was like, I could do that. I'm not gonna do it like that. I'm gonna do it just like an under bit, so like I'll just like get a bit there and just bleach it. Like a really small bit. But I think it could look cool. Yeah, I'm not sure, I don't know if I would get it, but to be honest, I could just then just dye it back to brown. And it won't really matter because it's only like a tiny bit. I don't know. Also, I don't know if I can even find a good dye because everything's sold out online, but it's just an idea. I might not do it. Also, for a time update, it's 13 minutes past 12. Okay. So far, Danny's been on Xbox for 2 hours. So we'll see how long until he gets off. Are you off?
Yeah.
It is only 1:45. Danny's already got off the Xbox. This is an achievement. This is unheard of.
Yeah, but it's not good.
Are you just doing that because I'm filming?
No, I did it because the game was lagging and I'm raging.
Oh. I usually always get food around this time. I don't feel that hungry. This is crazy. But I feel as though I still should eat. Maybe I'll have a bowl of cereal. I kind of want crisps, but it should be healthy.
There's a bowl of pasta in the fridge. That plain pasta.
Okay, I'm gonna have some plain pasta. Yummy. So this is the end of our night routine, lockdown edition. Did get cut a lot shorter than I thought. I thought we were gonna go to bed at like 2. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.